Hello everyone. Today is noodle again for my lunchtime, right? Look at that, beautiful, all green, right?
Hello everyone, today I make noodle the easiest way for you to watch and learn to follow. I have 2 packs of noodles and cabbage. Now I peel the cabbage into pieces like this. Then I take it to wash with clean water, then I put it on like this to slice it thinly. And I put the pot on the stove and poured boiling water into the pot. After pouring water into the pot, I tore 2 packets of noodles and put them in the pot. It takes about 4 minutes to cook the noodles until soft. In order not to waste time, I put the cooked cabbage in hot water and left it. Next, I have to beat 3 eggs to mix with salt or use soy sauce and mix together, leaves it on the side. After mixing the eggs, turn to look at the noodles and put the cabbage with the noodles for a while. Then pour the water and put it back into the pot to mix the noodles. These include noodles, soy sauce, condensed oil or grease, which comes with the noodle package. Then I will take the eggs that I have mixed and fry them on the toaster. This method is easy to clean. When pouring the fried eggs, let the fried eggs boil for a while, then put the lid down. It took us 3 minutes to roll it, as shown in this video. Finally, we need to take a plate large enough to remove the mixed noodles, cabbage leaves under the noodles, and add the leaves, and then cook the fried eggs on top of the noodles. And it can be eaten deliciously. Finally, I thank you, and please click subscribe for more videos.